Andre Lee, founding partner of Noumena. Thank you so much for joining our community. There's so many things you could do in life. There's so many people that want your attention, and you decided to spend a little bit of time with us. We truly appreciate it. And now we want to set you on a journey to help you in whatever way we can to improve your business. And we think we can help you improve your business by giving you the tools you need to grow and getting you access to capital.
It's time. Hi everyone, I'm so glad you got to meet our founder, Andre, and now I'm just going to show you a little bit about our new web app. So come with me and check out Noumena. So when you first sign in, you're going to fill out your home Noum. So let's take a look at what mine looks like. Your home Noum is really kind of you in Noumena. So you want to make your profile as thorough as possible. I have my beautiful profile photo and a quick header about me. You can message in the app. I've written a business brief about who I am, what I do, and why, so people can get to know me very quickly. And I have a great video that was made about me and my company before I came to Noumena, because I'm a freelancer just like you. So I have some information about projects and work experience, education and training. I went to University of San Francisco, and I've even posted. So you can share public posts and updates about you. That's my Noumena headshot, and so many other things that I haven't even filled out yet. So when you come in here, you can go to edit and then open your toolbox, and you can find lots of other elements that you can add, like you can add more videos. You can talk about your personal interests, social interests, and we're even integrating a calendar so that you can host audio and screen sharing events from your Noum. So take a look around, and once you have a nice, thorough home Noum, I would highly recommend that you go and check out the homepage. The homepage is where you can set up a time to have a social hall orientation to more about Noumena, and you can also schedule a time to tell us your story, as Andre was referring to earlier. Your story is so important, and basically not having your story told to capital providers is what is keeping you from being able to level up in your business. So share with us a little bit about who you are in your business and what your dreams are, and we will translate that into language that capital providers can understand. Welcome to Noumena, and DM me if you need anything.